Hello viewers, welcome. You know there's a saying that goes that Premiere Pro is the best video editing software right now. There's a reason why. Now the feature I'm about to show you now will blow your mind. It's a game changer. And the funny thing is most of you do not even know that this feature has existed in Premiere Pro for a very long time. If you're someone that you shoot podcasts, movies and so on, or all these videos that have different scenes that you need to composite together, multi-camera editing is your number one bet. I mean, you shouldn't even waste your time cutting footages one after the other. You know, normally before now, if you want to edit different scenes into one, like maybe in a movie where you have a dialogue between two characters or two actors, you have to cut one person, then cut into another, transitioning scene. So multi-camera editing allows you to work on footage from multiple cameras that was recording the same event. That is when you have multiple cameras recording simultaneously. Just like I said, podcasts or movies. You have to switch scenes of different faces and different people talking. You don't need to do this manually again. Just use multi-camera editing. And this thing is very easy to set up. I'll show you real quick in the Premiere Pro software. The first thing you need to do is to create a multi-camera source sequence. So assuming you're in Premiere Pro now, if I go to my File Explorer here, you can see I already sorted the footages into different cameras. Like I said, I used camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3, different angles. So I will import these 3 cameras, or let me say these 2 first, into Premiere Pro. So I've imported my footage. What I want to do is I'm going to use a scene that we were shot on 2 different cameras simultaneously, where a husband and a wife were having a kind of conversation on an event that just happened. Let me show you what I mean. The first footage is this one. Then I'm going to also show you another footage here from camera 2. This is my second camera. So this is another footage. These 2 videos were shot simultaneously. If you look at the angles, you know that they are different angles. Now what you want to do is select these 2 and right click on them to create multi-camera source sequence. When you create multi-camera source sequence, you can see the video clip name here. Just name it anything you want. I'll just leave it as multicam 1. And then synchronize point. Let your synchronization point be audio. If you see time code, in point, out point, or sound time code, no, it should be audio. You want to sync with your audio. Leave every other setting the same and click OK. My audio is processing. Now when this is done, you are going to see processed clips. These are just the 2 clips that we processed now. You don't need to do anything with them. Just go straight down. You will see the multi-camera sequence. What you need to do next is right click on this multicam sequence and create new sequence from clip. When you do this, we are in. This is our new sequence from clip. Now, the next step we need to take is to set up the multi-camera sequence. The first was to create the multi-camera source sequence. Now we need to set up the multi-camera sequence. There are 2 different things. The next thing we need to do is add multi-camera view. Very important. And how do you do that? When you go to this your button editor here, in case you don't see your multi-camera view amongst all these tools here, go to your button editor. Amongst these guys here, you will see toggle multi-camera view. You want to drag this and add it to one of these here. After that, just click OK. Multi-camera view helps you bring out this your program monitor and puts it this way. This first video here is from the first camera and this is the second camera. So I want to start from the beginning. And what it means is that from the beginning, this camera started first. So while the video was trying to sync together, it means that this camera here started recording before this one. That is why this one is blank. But as I play along, at some point, they both started recording. So this is where you want to start from. What you need to do is just clip this guy here and then shift it to this point. Delete this repo here so that we can start from the beginning. So you're sure that this is where you want to start recording from. Multi-camera is just like someone that is streaming live. For those that have the experience of live stream, you pick from this video, you pick from that video simultaneously, like it saves time. Once this is done, you can decide to turn on overlay. This one is your choice. And how do you do that? Click on this wrench button here and go down. You see overlay. can decide to show this. What it just does is show you your time codes on your screen. This is typically optional, and it also labels the videos as maybe camera 1, camera 2 here. Is actually optional. The next thing now is for us to start mixing our videos. That is, when I take from this shot, I pick from this shot. What you need to do now is just to start playing, and make sure that you switch these cameras at your desired points. So you can decide to start from any of the clip. It depends on your choice. It could be camera 1, it could be camera 2. Say I want my starting point to be this camera 2 here now. I will just click play and start mixing. You can see the color of that bar has changed to red. What it means is that you are now switching between scenes. So you need to watch how you want it. It all depends on what you want here. But we are going to see the results really quick now. So you keep doing this switching until you get your desired result. Let's see what we just did. Now you can see a lot of cuts in between all this video. Guys, come on, this is mind-blowing, and this is a game changer. This is something you usually do manually one by one before, but this video took it, synced everything, and then how to cut it simultaneously. Just like, wow, this is a time saver. So let's just see what we did. Now if I play through this, I want to switch to this full screen now. Just click out of this and let's watch again. I mean, this is mind-blowing. For those of you that shoot a lot of content from different cameras simultaneously, this is a game changer for you. So you can go ahead now and add every other thing, text, titles, overlays, just like you used to do. I mean, come on, I don't see reason why I won't be using this. Alright guys, if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe. Help this channel get to 1000 subscribers, and also help us like this video as it boosts our algorithm. Help me reach 1000 subscribers and 1000 likes. Click that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever videos like this drop, and also share this content to people that might need it. Thanks for dropping by. I will see you some other time.